Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will wait to learn how you can install or download Go in your Windows 10 or 11. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we will go into Google Chrome browser and here we will search for Go and then click enter. And then here you will get the Go programming language over here. Just click on it. And here you will get a download options over here. Just click on it. And you will get different versions over here. I need Microsoft Windows, so I will go on it. And here we can see the download has been started over here. So we will wait for a couple of seconds over here. So here we can see the download has been completed. Now we will go to this file and click on it. And after that, we will click next and next. We will let it be in C drive. Next and press install. It will take 2 or 3 minutes. I will just fast forward the video. Finish. And then here we will write for Go space to dash and looking for versions. So here you can see this Go is now running in my Windows 10. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.